Hey, how's it going, guys? Andrew Sales here, head hustler at Crypto Hustlers. If this is your first time at Crypto Hustlers, welcome to our channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. What we do here is every day we drop a little nuggets and stuff you're going to need to know to make some money in the crypto space. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment so I can say what's up and see who else is making some money out there. Now, in this video here, we're going to talk about everything you need to know to have a successful portfolio in the crypto space. So make sure you hang out to the end, because if you need some help getting your portfolio together, we'll tell you exactly where to go to get that figured out. So there's different types of investors out there. Some people like to buy and hold for a long time. Some people like to move in and out every day. And some people, you know, they eye out some stuff to hold on to for maybe a year or 2 years, something like that. So a lot of people ask me, they say, Andrew, what is the best way to invest in crypto? And what I say is, it's actually a mix of all three. You want to be the long-term holder, the medium-term holder, but then also the trader if you have a little bit of time on your hands and you want to make some extra money on the way up. Now, you don't have to be a trader if you just want to be an investor, and you don't have to be an investor, you know, just sitting on things if you really prefer trading and figuring out how to make more money that way too. I just set my portfolio up this way, and I help all my friends get their portfolios set up the same way, because that's how we've had a lot of success at Crypto Hustlers, making sure we take a proper amount of risk, but then also making sure we have a proper amount of safety that's growing on the back end for us. So the beginning part of your funds, and any new investor, especially a newbie investor, you really need to invest someplace that's just going to grow over the long term for you. So 50% of your investment portfolio needs to be in coins that you plan on holding for the long term. Something that you're holding for 3 to 5 years and you expect tremendous amount of growth over 3 and 5 years, but you also expect at least some type of stability. And I know it's weird talking about stability in Bitcoin because it is very volatile, but Bitcoin is actually way more stable than other currencies itself. So Bitcoin is one of the major ones that needs to be in your long-term investment folder that you plan on holding for the 3 to 5 year period, because it's something that's going to be stable and it's going to be around and it's going to hold value, but it's also going to climb, you know, and climb much more in the stock market. Let's be real. If you're investing in the stock market and you have a 12% return over a year, is something to talk about. You know, in Bitcoin, we're seeing 12% returns in a week or two, you know, and 100% plus returns over the course of a year, you know, much larger than that. And if you go back over the past couple of years, it's consistently larger than that. So Bitcoin is a great one to have in your portfolio as a long-term hold. And there's a couple other coins out there too. If you want to know the other ones we got, you know, shoot over to my group, Crypto Hustlers. It'll be the first link in the description below. But yeah, you want to have the bulk of your portfolio someplace stable and something you're holding for a long time. And another note, if you're brand new to crypto, do not leave your coins on the exchange. Most of these exchanges aren't insured. They can be hacked. You lose your coins, they're gone. So whatever you're holding as your long-term, the bulk of your portfolio, get an offline wallet or a PC wallet or a nano ledger, something along those lines to protect yourself. So the second type of investor, the second portion of your portfolio, the next, I say 25%, should be in coins that you plan on holding for the longer term, you know, like 1 to 2 year period. They're coins that you project a lot of growth on, but they're somewhat newer still, and who knows what could happen in the next 2 years with them. So you want to make sure you have plenty of coins that you're looking at in plenty of your portfolio, about 25% in coins that are in that range, the 1 to 2 year range with a lot of growth, and you're confident in them. Some of them might backfire, some might not get the growth you wanted, but they're coins that you expect to have a little bit bigger growth, and you're comfortable with your money sitting dormant in it for a year or two while it's growing, and you're going to reevaluate it from there. Maybe you shift that coin over to your longer term portfolio, or maybe you move out of it, or maybe it becomes, you know, part of your shorter term portfolio. So we, like I said before, 50% long term, then we put 25% in the medium term, the 1 to 2 year. And there's a lot of good medium term coins out there. And if you want to know any of those, for sure, head to my group, Crypto Hustlers on Facebook, first link below in the description. And then the third type of trader, investor is the trader, you know. And for everybody at Crypto Hustlers, we recommend that you use 25% of your full portfolio for trading. And it doesn't have to necessarily be day trading. It can be swing trading where the trades last a few days, a few weeks. It's far out, maybe a few months. But you want to have a little bit of your portfolio, about 25%. Some people like to go a little bit smaller, but I still like using 25%. That you're going to be a lot more aggressive with, and you're really going to try to ride the waves and climb and make some moves here and there, dip in some coins, dip out, and really accumulate more money in the way up. And it's safe to have about 25% of that, just because there's a higher risk of ruin when you're making that kind of moves. And also, if you're learning and you're new to it, you might make some mistakes, so you don't want to use your entire portfolio, entire bankroll, just trading and shooting between coins, because a coin could tank 50% overnight and then you lost half of what you got. So I hope this helps you guys out. Make sure you got 50% in your long term, 25% in your medium term, and 25% in your trading portion of your portfolio. So if you guys need any help identifying any of those coins or getting your portfolio set up, check out my group, Crypto Hustlers. It is the first link in the description below. Keep hustling hard, guys. I'll see you all at the top of the charts. Peace out.